Hi guys, a lot of people have asked me how I got started hybrid picking, and first off let me tell you it's not really easy, but you'll get there, and it just don't feel natural when you first start doing it, but after a while, many days of practice, it becomes pretty natural. But here's what I'm doing. I'm using my middle finger and my ring finger, and I'm pulling up on two strings at the same time. And here we'll be using the second string third fret and the third string second fret, and what I'm going to do is hit them at the same time like that, and I'm going to bend the third string up, and then I'll hit the third string open and the second string third fret there, so like this. So you want to just practice that over and over until it sounds something like this. Okay. Now also, when I'm playing in G, which we're at a G here, you can hit the first string third fret and the second string third fret at the same time too, using the same two fingers over here, like that. So you got, or practice that until you get it down good. And you can also do a variation where you hammer on the third string and pull off like that. Okay, now also to get started using your pick, I would recommend hitting the fourth string here open with the pick, fourth string open, and then hammering on the fourth string second fret, and then using your fingers to hit the third string and the second string, using the third string open, second string, third fret like that. Like, then you got, okay, that's another variation, and then you can kind of put them all together like. Okay, now I'll give you an example of what it might sound like with some music going here in the background. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks and God bless.